Introduction. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore how technology trends are changing the world. By the end of this video, you'll understand the basics of emerging technologies and why they matter. So, what's so special about these trends? Let's dive in and find out. The Internet of Things. Imagine a world where your home, your car, and even your clothes can communicate with each other. That's the idea behind the Internet of Things. Essentially, IoT connects devices and sensors to share data and make our lives easier. Think smart thermostats that adjust temperature based on your schedule or fitness trackers that monitor your daily activity. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is another trend that's changing the game. AI is a type of computer program that can learn and adapt like humans. It's used in applications like virtual assistants, like Siri or Alexa, and in self-driving cars. But how does it work? AI uses algorithms to analyze data and make decisions. Think of it like a super smart calculator that can solve complex problems. 5G and wireless connectivity. With the rise of IoT and AI, we need faster and more reliable internet connections. That's where 5G comes in. 5G is the fifth generation of wireless network technology, offering speeds up to 100 times faster than 4G. This means you can stream high-definition videos, play online games, and access cloud services on the go without lag. Blockchain and cryptocurrency. You might have heard of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, but what's the technology behind them? It's called blockchain. Blockchain is a digital ledger that records transactions and data in a secure and transparent way. Think of it like a digital accounting book that's shared among a network of computers. Virtual and augmented reality. Get ready to experience new worlds without leaving your seat. Virtual and augmented reality are technologies that create immersive experiences. VR transports you to virtual environments, while AR overlays digital information onto the real world. Think of it like gaming on a whole new level. The impact of technology trends. So, what's the big deal about these technology trends? They're changing the way we live, work, and interact with each other. They're making our lives easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. But they also raise important questions about data security, job displacement, and social responsibility. Conclusion. That's it for today's video on technology trends changing the world. We covered the basics of IoT, AI, 5G, blockchain, and VR/AR. Remember, these trends are not just sci-fi fantasies. They're real technologies that are shaping our world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more educational content.